This is a 13 amp, 6.5 foot retractable cord with 12 widely spaced outlets as well as 6 USB ports. It has a retractable cord. Let's open this up, show you what it looks like inside the box. We have 3 ports per side, 3 USBs per side in the front, an on and off switch. That is also a surge protector to turn off and reset. The handle is the retractable side of the cord that you will pull the cord out. And then if you want to retract it, you wind it back up clockwise. 6.5 feet, pull it out, use what you need, and retract it. With a soft green light on top and a red light, we are now able to plug in our USB port, and we are able now to plug into the side our cables so we can charge multiple times any product we like. A 0.5 amp, 2 amps, charging a battery, and more. As we plug in either way, it doesn't obstruct the on and off switch. We could plug in our doorbell. We could plug in additional cables. Some things may not be able to fit, as you can see, but we are able to utilize all the outlets. The rewinding is simple. If you don't need all the cord, you just simply keep on twisting. These are great. You can use this in the garage, by your desk or workstation, by your bed, anywhere where you need to have additional outlets, 15 amp rated, with small rubber feet on each of the corners and the additional ports that you have to plug in USB and AC products. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is right for you, it's portable, foldable, take it anywhere you need to have AC and USB ports. Enjoy your product.